How can I tell if my Amazon PPC ads are actually working? We're going to define what working means in this scenario. If someone sees your ad, if you're getting clicks, even if you're not getting sales, we're defining those ads are working, right? So in that scenario, you can tell that the ads are working. In the scenario where you see you created your campaigns, you had no impressions at all, then you are going to look into, all right, so from a technical point of view, was the ad set up correctly? And then the second point of view is going to be from the product listing point of view. Is the listing right now live? Because what can happen sometimes is that simply you're just losing a buy box for the listing, and then even if you're running ads, no one can find, you cannot advertise your listing, right? So those would be the things that I would look into. But basically, just because it costs you more than you expected, or you're not converting at all, when it comes down to you're spending money on ads and you see no results in sales, that does not define that ads are not working for you. It's just something is broken in the system and you have to figure out what that is.